Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix spacebar or enter key not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type task manager, click on open it. You just need to scroll down to the bottom and right click on the Windows Explorer and select restart. After getting done, just close stuff here. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select accessibility. On right side scroll down and select keyboard. You just need to make sure that sticky keys, filter keys, toggle keys are turned off. After that just close stuff here. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. In device manager you just need to expand the keyboard section and right click on your keyboard driver and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers. Select search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Select check for updates, and if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting you are up to date, just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If that doesn't work, then you just need to right click on the keyboard driver and select uninstall device and select uninstall and uninstall the device. After that you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. Windows will reinstall the driver automatically. Method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these commands used in my video. Just copy and paste it one by one. After finishing these both command, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.